Hi guys, so we're doing metric conversion, so we're going to do millimeters into centimeters, but our star chart shows us, and you can get your star chart out. This is on the notes section, the notes folder in Google Classroom. You can print it out or just write them in your notebook. So 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. Or we can write it the opposite way, it's still true. 10 millimeters equals 1 centimeter. All right, so we're gonna start with our input-output table. So we're gonna put our in here, our out here. So the problem we're trying to solve is 23 millimeters equals how many centimeters? So this is what we're trying to solve. So over here, I'm gonna put my millimeters because that's what I have, and then my centimeters over here. So millimeters, we know that 10 millimeters equals 1 centimeter. So now we're trying to figure out if we have 23 millimeters, how many centimeters is that going to be? Alrighty, so our rule for this table, so remember rules or the key. So how did we get from 10 to 1? So going this way, because we're trying to figure out this missing area, going from 10 to 1, we had to divide by 10. 10 divided by 10 is 1. So for 23, we've got to plug in that same rule. We're going to do 23 divided by 10 to get our answer. So I'm going to go ahead and start my division over here. Yes, this is a pretty simple one. You could do it in your head, but I'm just going to show you all the steps, no matter what you're given, what steps you will follow. So we've got 23 inside of our house, 10 on the outside. Okay, 10 goes into 2, no times, so we've got a space holder. 10 goes into 23 twice because 2 times 10 is 20. Then we're going to subtract. 23 minus 20 is 3. 10 cannot go into 3, so that's our remainder 3. So in this case, with conversions and measurements, this means that I have 2 centimeters and 3 millimeters left over. So my answer is going to be 2, let me write it down here, 2 centimeters and 3 millimeters. So that's our answer. That is what is equivalent to 23 millimeters because it only goes in nicely twice. Because if we continued this, we would have 20, that's 2, 30, that would be 3, 40, that would be 4. So if there's anything other than a 0 in the ones place, that's going to be your remainder, and those just stay in millimeters. We can't squish them into centimeters.